Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Nelly, and today we're going to be making some pizza rolls and something else along with the local snack, a local avocado. You know what I mean. But yeah, we're going to be using these pizza rolls. On the back they have the instructions. Either you could put it in the microwave, oven, whatever you want to do with it, but you know, we don't really need to read the instructions. As long as it's golden, it is done. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to apply them to the aluminum foil. I like to show people how to do this part because it's just like, if you leave your pizza rolls like this and then you just throw them in the oven and then they come out half soggy, half crunchy, we're gonna have an issue. Okay, so just, just spread them out, take your time, you feel me, put love into it, because when you rush panda pizza rolls, I'm telling you, they do not come out right. So put all the love you got into everything. You feel me? The food tastes better when you put your love into it. But anyway, next step is I'm gonna take this little pan slider thingamajig, something you can make a pizza on. You feel me? But it's I don't know. We don't really use it for that. We use it for exactly what you see me doing it. So it's kind of just, like, yeah, put your pizza rolls in, oven on 350. In the meantime, man, your girl almost forgot about the pizza rolls, bro. I'm telling you, getting that music, it's just like, geez. But do you see them? Oh my god, they're so golden. They're done. Literally, like, in my head, that's literally what my voice be sounding like every time I do something. It's like, oh my gosh. But it's just like, yo, do y'all see them? These are golden, finito, and just ready to be munched on and eaten. Do you feel me? But the next step that I'm finna do is that made it extra smack was cut up a half of avocado. You feel me? Now, avocados have a lot of good health benefits, and especially healthy fats instead of, like, unhealthy fats. And your girl over here, you feel me, I really be using it for like masks and stuff like that, but you feel me, we got a lot of things coming in store. So if you ain't subscribed to the channel Bookie, you need to subscribe. But what I'm saying is, this right here, this 1-2 combination, this settlement, this entanglement, this engagement, this marriage, this everything you see going on right in front of you right now, plus the combination of the sauce. You gotta have any sauce. You can have any sauce that you really like, to be honest, but the sauce that goes really good with this is the Italian dressing that I'm finna use. You feel me? It's just like, yes, oh my god, I don't know, but this combination together, it just tastes really good.